Good evening, good evening. Mahaganadhipate. Good evening. Is the board visible to you, children? Is the board visible to you? Yeah. As I told you before, that today we are going to discuss problems in coordinate geometry. Mahaganadhipate. First problem. Points there is a circle. Point A is 1 minus 1 comma y, and point B 5 comma 7 lying on the circle, and O, center O, this is A, this is B. This is minus 1 comma y, and this is 5 comma 7. Center O is 2 comma minus 3y. AB is the diameter of the circle. Find the value of y and also find the radius. This is the question asked in the year 24. Recent exams, 2024 board exams. Board exam question. AB is the diameter. Coordinates of A minus 1 comma y, B 5 comma 7, and coordinates of center 2 comma minus 3y. We need to find out y value. How to do it? Yes, keep the message in the group that class has started already. Everyone to join. AO diameter na, and we know OA is equal to OB radii. So calculate the distance between OA and distance between OB fast. Very good. No, yeah. Yeah. O is the midpoint of, right? Very good. Govida. Good. O is the midpoint of AB because AB is the diameter and O is the midpoint of AB. So, what is midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 directly. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 directly you can apply. We know O is the midpoint of diameter AB. So directly you can apply the midpoint formula and find out y value. Find out y value, children. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, this one. So minus 1 plus y 4 by 2, 2 comma y plus 7 by 2 is equal to 2 comma minus 3y is equal to 2 comma minus 3y. So x coordinate both are same na, 2 2. Now equate y coordinates. Y plus 7 by 2 is equal to minus 3y. Y plus 7 by 2 is equal to minus 3y. Then y plus 7 is equal to minus 6y. Y plus 6y is equal to negative 7. 7y is equal to negative 7. Y is equal to negative 1. Y is equal to negative 1. Find out the radius. Y value you got na, negative 1. Find out the radius now, children. Find out the radius. This Varshini. Varshini means the one whom I used to call Sharanya. Is that right? Morning I called her as Sharanya. Is that right? Varshini means. Okay. Once all 10th year students type your names, I'll see who is absent. I didn't see Tejal. I didn't see Akshay Nation. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 5, 25. How many times is this 3? Only one time. Only 24, not 25, but Tejal 2 times time. 24 students are joined from 10A out of 42. Now 10B, I need to count. 10B, type your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Shreyas 2 times. 26 అయితే 50 దాటాలి కదా, by only 48 are there. So that means that is also 24. And 45 are there. Moksha and Tejal, note down correctly. You are saying that 36, 37. Moksha, you are saying every day 36 or 37. But I can see only 24 or 22. Now next question, very important question. It is asked in 2023 board exams. This question is asked in 23 board exams. The line segment joining A4, -5 B 4 comma 5 divided by the point P in the ratio 2:5. To 5. Find the coordinates of P. This is the question. The line segment joining the points 4 comma minus 5 and 4 comma 5 divided by the point P in the ratio divided by the point P in the ratio AP is to AB is 2:5. AP is to AB is 2:5. We need to find out the coordinates of P first. This question is asked in the board exams 2023. Do the question, answer fast. Very good, Tulsi. AP is to PB, 2:3. Given AP is to AB. Given AB is to AB, so you need to convert into AB is to PB, which is 2:3. Take ratio as 2:3, not 2:5. Now find out the P coordinates. Comma minus 1, is that right? x1 y1 x2 y2. What is the formula for x coordinate? mx2 plus mx1 by m plus n. mx2 mx2 plus n x1 by m plus n. So this is 20 by 5. 4. X coordinate 4. Y coordinate formula my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. my2 ny1 n is 3 y1 minus 5 by m plus n. So 10 minus 15 by 5 minus 5 by 5 negative 1. So the coordinates of P are 4 comma negative 1. 4 comma negative 1. Very good. Next question. Next question. Listen to me. Find the ratio in which y-axis divide the line segment joining the points 5 comma minus 6 minus 1 comma minus 4. First I will draw the coordinate plane. X, y, y dash, x dash. Now this is the origin O. Okay. Now what are the coordinates given? 5 comma minus 6. 5 comma minus 6. I think over here. Let it be here. 5 comma minus 6. A coordinates. And second one, minus 1 minus 4. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 4. Let it be over here. B. B coordinates minus 1 minus 4. If I join these two, this line segment is intersecting y-axis at P. Y-axis at P. Okay, children? And I want to find out the ratio that P divides AB. I want to find out the ratio that P divides AB. Okay, na? Coordinates of A are 5 comma minus 6. I think it lies in fourth quadrant. Coordinates of B minus 1 minus 4 lies in third quadrant. So if I join A and B, the line segment joining A and B intersecting y-axis at one point, let that point be P, and I want to find out this ratio. I want to find out P, AP is to PB. But children, can anyone say what are the coordinates of P? General form of coordinates of P? What is the general form of coordinates of P? This question is asked in board exam 23. This question is asked in CBSE board exams 2023. Yes, 0 comma y. 0 comma y. That means x coordinate is 0. X coordinate is 0. That means that is mx2 plus mx1 by m plus n is 0. Is that right? mx2 plus nx1 by 0 into m plus n. mx2 plus nx1 mx2 is equal to minus nx1. Then m by n is equal to minus x1 by x2. M by n is equal to minus x1 by x2. Now, what is x1? This is x1, y1. x2, y2. So the ratio is minus x1. That means minus of minus 1 by x2, 5. I think 1 is to 5. Ratio is 1 is to 5. Is that understood, children? Okay. Now, okay. Right. x1, y1, x2, y2. Now here what I will get? Minus 5 by minus 1. 5 by 2. Now this is A, this is B, na? Correct. Correct. 5 is to 1. Not 1 is to 5. 5 is to 1 only. I took this one as A and this one as B, na? Not took. He gave clearly that first point is 5 comma minus 6 and second point is minus 1 minus 4. So 5 is to 1 only, correct. Okay, leave that one first. Observe this. If the line segment intersects y-axis, then it divides. Then y-axis divides the line segment in the ratio minus x1 by x2. That is what you have to keep in mind. Okay. And suppose there is a line segment over here like this, A, B. Now this is P. No, sorry. Yeah. Line segment is this, A, B. This is your P. Line segment AB is intersecting x-axis at P. And I want to find out the ratio. I want to find out the ratio that x-axis divides AB. Okay, the ratio m by n is minus y1 by y2. Very much useful for objective type questions, children. Okay, na? If the line segment AB is divided by x-axis, then the ratio is minus y1 by y2. If the line segment is divided by y-axis, then the ratio is minus x1 by x2. It is very much useful in objective type questions, solving objective type questions. Okay, na? Next question. Now, there is another question, see. Which is given in 23 board exams. It's a good one. A line intersects x-axis and y-axis at point P and Q respectively. X-axis means it intersects y-axis at P, x-axis at Q. If R 2, 5 is the midpoint of line segment PQ, find the coordinates of P and Q. This is the question. Did you understand the question? (23) board exams. A line intersects both x-axis and y-axis. It intersects y-axis at P and x-axis at Q. Okay, na? Next, if R 2, 5 is the midpoint of line segment PQ, R 2, 5 is the midpoint of line segment PQ. We need to find out the coordinates of P and Q fast. We need to find out the coordinates of P and Q fast. R is the midpoint of PQ. Line L intersecting y-axis at P, x-axis at Q. 23 board exams. 2023 board exam question. Now, can anyone please tell me what is the general form of coordinates of P and coordinates of Q? General form of coordinates of P, 0 comma y, and this is x comma 0. 0 comma y, x comma 0. Coordinates of P, 0 comma y. And coordinates of Q, x comma 0. So 0 plus x by 2 comma y plus 0 by 2 is equal to 2 comma 5. Is that right? Given R is the midpoint of PQ, then 0 plus x by 2 comma y plus 0 by 2 equals to 2 comma 5. Now that means x by 2 comma y by 2 is 2 comma 5. X by 2 is 2, y by 2 is 5. X 4, y 10. X 4, y 10. So coordinates of P 0 comma 10, coordinates of Q 4 comma 0. Okay. Next question. Now this question is in board exams 23. Okay. Find the point on x-axis, each of which is at a distance of 10 units from the point A 11 comma 8, 11 comma minus 8. Listen to the question seriously. You need to find out the coordinates of points on x-axis. Find the points, plural. Find the points, it's a plural. Points on x-axis, each of which at a distance of 10 units from 11 comma minus 8. So let the point on x-axis x comma 0 and A coordinates 11 comma minus 8 and distance is given 10 units. Children, find out x coordinates. Yeah, distance. Let this point be x. Let me p. So first calculate distance between PA. X minus 11 whole square plus 0 minus half minus 8 whole square. Let it be PA square. Let it be PA square. Okay. Now this is PA. Distance is given PA. Okay. Now 10 square is equal to x minus 11 whole square plus 64. Is that right, children? Kangar padipoyi. Don't be in a hurry that to expand a minus b whole square. Okay. Don't try to expand this one. Okay. Now try to simplify. This is 100 minus 64 is x minus 11 whole square. 100 minus 64 is x minus 11 whole square. So x minus 11 whole square is 36. X minus 11 root over 36, which is plus or minus 6. Which is plus or minus 6. Square root of 36, don't take 6 only. You have to take it as plus or minus 6. Now, x minus 11 is 6, x is 70. X minus 11 is minus 6, x is 5. Okay, na? Even before root we need to write it as plus or minus. No need. For answer only. See, x minus 11 if you got, suppose for example 23 root over, now you can put plus or minus 20 because 23 is not a perfect square, na? 23 is not a perfect square, so you can keep plus or minus root over 23. But 36 is a perfect square, so then x is equal to plus or minus 6 only. You have to write root over 36, which is plus or minus 6. Vikramaditya, is that understood? Yeah. Now the question I am going to tell you is, which is very, very much important model, very much important, asked in many times in board exams. Now see, there is a parallelogram ABCD. There is a parallelogram ABCD. Okay. Coordinates of A are minus 2 comma minus 1, B A comma 0, and coordinates of C are 4 comma B, and coordinates of D are 1 comma 2. We need to find out A value, B value. Very, very in C. Important model for board exams. Many times asked in the board exams. ABCD is a parallelogram. Coordinates of A minus 2, 1, minus 2, minus 1. B A comma 0. C 4 comma B. And D 1 comma 2. we need to find out the values of A and B. Okay. Children, this problem you have to solve using section formula. Okay. How? There is a property in parallelogram that in parallelogram diagonals bisect each other. In parallelogram diagonals bisect each other. That means the midpoint of AC as well as midpoint of BD is same. That is what you have to understand. Midpoint of AC is same as midpoint of BD. Diagonals bisect each other means midpoint of AC and midpoint of BD are equal. That is what we have to understand. Now calculate midpoint of AC. -2 plus 4 by 2 comma -1 plus B by 2. This is midpoint of AC. And midpoint of BD now you have to calculate A plus 1 by 2 comma 0 plus 2 by 2. These two are same. Okay na? Now simplify this. -2 plus 4 2 by 2 1 -1 plus B by 2, which is equal to A plus 1 by 2 comma 1. Now equate the terms. 1 is equal to A plus 1 by 2. -1 plus B by 2 is equal to 1. 1 is equal to A plus 1 by 2. X coordinate, X coordinate. Y coordinate, Y coordinate. Okay na? Now A plus 1 is equal to 2. A is equal to 1. A plus 1 is equal to 2. A is equal to 1. And from this, -1 plus B is equal to 2. B is equal to 3. B is equal to 3. So what is the property used to solve this problem, children? So what was the property used to solve this problem? Diagonals bisect each other. In parallelogram diagonals bisect each other. Okay na? That means the midpoint of diagonal AC as well as the midpoint of diagonal BD both are equal. So by using that property we can find out the unknown values. Okay na? Okay, that's all for today. Again we will meet tomorrow. Dhanyavad. Mahaganadhipataye. Thank you very much. Moksha and Tejan take the attendance. 53 are attended. 25 only likes are there. That means I need to ask every day, array, kindly like. Only 30 likes. Sudden ga 40 అయిపోవాలి ఎట్లా అవుతాయి 40 44 అయిపోవాలి ఎట్లా అవుతాయి మీరు లైక్ చేస్తేనేగా అవుతాయి ఓకే click on the like button children. Those who didn't join the class, they can see this video so that they can understand how the questions are there in the board exams. Okay, bye. 28. Okay, from 10B. Okay, bye.